Good evening, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you how celery juice is an ongoing trend that was known by our ancestors for its many health benefits. It seems that drinking a glass of celery juice is the new food trend taking over social media. But is celery juice really the green goodness many think it is? Well, recent research into the use of natural and organic foods has shown that drinking a glass of celery juice per day could provide your body with 8 different types of anti-cancer substances that can prevent or even heal certain types of cancer. These include phytonutrients, which can help fight free radicals, which are one of the common causes of cancer. Celery is an ancient healing food that has a long history of use. At first glance, celery may seem rather unimpressive, but the more you look into its background and medicinal uses, the more you realize that we must have been misinformed on the usefulness of this plant. Traditionally, celery was used to treat an array of ailments and was very bitter in taste. It is believed to have originated from the Mediterranean basin and has been harvested since about 850 BC. Its medicinal properties are believed to be from its volatile oils, which are found in all parts of the plant, but seem to be concentrated in its seeds. Ayurvedic physicians use celery to treat colds, flu, water retention, poor digestion, arthritis, liver, and spleen ailments. You can make this refreshing celery juice recipe at home by simply blending the ingredients until the mixture is smooth. Celery is a nutritious vegetable with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It protects against stomach ulcers, eases fever, and helps manage blood sugar, cholesterol, and high blood pressure. It can soothe an upset stomach, improve sexual health in men, ease arthritis, boost memory and mood, and even protect against Parkinson's disease. Celery is known to contain at least 8 different types of anti-cancer compounds. These compounds have been shown to prevent free radicals from damaging cells, enhance the activity of certain white blood cells that help to fight cancer, and help to prevent cancers of the skin, tongue, liver, and colon. The health benefits of celery juice also help to reduce blood pressure. A group of active compounds found in celery juice help to reduce blood pressure by relaxing the muscles in and around the walls of the arteries. Celery juice has been shown in laboratory studies to reduce LDL cholesterol. One of the components that gives celery its distinctive smell has a hand in this, as well as other components yet to be completely discovered. Celery juice also helps to reduce cholesterol from the body as it aids in increasing bile acid secretion. Celery juice is a good source of luteolin. Another organic polymer found in celery juice is said to reduce chemicals that produce inflammation. This can help to ease rheumatic and arthritic pain, as well as many other inflammatory problems in the body. Celery juice has many alkaline minerals in it, which can help in providing your body with better functioning. It can also help the nervous system to calm down and improve the quality of your sleep, as well as it can promote relaxation of the body. Celery leaves are eaten to treat diabetic conditions, particularly because they are high in fiber, which has been shown to help manage diabetic symptoms. Celery juice is good for athletes because celery juice contains good electrolytes that are important to replace when you sweat. Celery is just one of the many ancient healing foods that our ancestors used. It is truly much more than just water and fiber. Thank you so much for watching. Good day and good health.